Welcome back to another El Yucateco recipe video, everyone. My name is Mike, and today I've got a Philly cheesesteak casserole for you. This is really good as an appetizer or as a home meal all by itself. It's coming up right now. Hey, welcome back everybody. It's great to see you. Thanks for all your support. And if you're not following us here yet, you're gonna wanna hit that button down there because you don't wanna miss out on any of these great recipes that we're putting out. I've got an awesome recipe for you today. We're gonna be doing Philly cheesesteak casserole. This is a good keto solution for those of you that are into that, or it can be served with chips or crackers because it makes one heck of a dip. We're gonna kick this recipe off by making a delicious cream cheese mixture. Start with some softened cream cheese, add a healthy dose of garlic powder, and a few drops of our El Yucateco Red to really kick this recipe up. Now give that a good mix and set it aside. Next, we're gonna brown some ground beef in a pan. Once it's mostly rendered down, go ahead and drain that grease from the pan. Now we'll season that up with salt and pepper, add in some roughly chopped onion, roughly chopped green bell pepper, and butter. Now give that a good mix and saute that down until your onions begin to become translucent and the peppers begin to soften. We'll then transfer that into a baking dish, add some dollops of that delicious cream cheese on top, place a generous amount of provolone cheese on top of that, and get that into your oven to allow all that to melt and for that cheese to start becoming nice golden brown. Then remove it from the oven, allow it to cool for a few minutes, and we'll serve it up just like this. And now it's time for my favorite part of the video. And just look at all those delicious layers of flavor here. This is gonna be good and probably hot. Cheers, everyone. My goodness, that cream cheese is the star of the show. This turned out beautiful, delicious, and creamy. This is one you've got to give a try at home. That's it for this video recipe. Thank you very much for hanging out with me today. I truly appreciate it. Remember, till next time, to kick up all your recipes with the King of Flavor. And I'll see you on the next video.